All right, Gav, you take it away. I'm hungry, so I'm cooking it. No, we've got Chef Gavin. Now, Gav, you've been a little under the weather as well. Everyone's got...
About 2 weeks ago, yes.
2 weeks. Oh, you poor thing. Everyone's had, flus, colds.
I honestly think our household has had COVID and flu, and the flu's been worse.
Oh, I'm hearing a lot of that this year. I'm just getting over that. And it was a doozy. But there is a dish that I just believe makes you better when you are unwell.
That's the plan.
And
That's the plan. That's why I made it.
It's the humble. I thought you might have done that. Aren't you sweet? You take it away. I'm gonna try it.
So we're having chicken soup.
Oh, chicken soup.
So it's a fairly basic chicken soup. This one's a cream of chicken and corn. But you can change it halfway through if you want. There's a lot of different ways because it starts with a mirepoix of vegetables, which is onion, celery, and carrot, all sautéed down. And if you want to do it special, a little bit of butter. But then you add your diced up chicken. So in your stock, bring to the boil. Now you can have it like that, and you have that brothy vegetable.
Yeah, you've got that clear broth. Yeah.
The
light
one I've done
broth.
is I bring it to the boil, I take it off, and I blend it. Then I put cream in it and corn in it and bring it back to the boil, and then we eat it.
That is next level. So this then becomes a substantial meal rather than,
thick.
It is thick.
It's almost stew-like.
It is, and there's something about it, the moment you have it on your throat, and I'm trying not to cough right now, it makes you feel good just eating it. Is there some medical evidence?
There's a little penicillin. When you cook chicken, it releases a little penicillin. So not a great deal of amounts, but in enough of it, if you just ate chicken soup for the 2 weeks, you'd be fine. No antibiotics needed.
It does make you feel better. It's on the list. So you don't put noodles in yours?
No, I don't. There's another version of that I do where I cook it down exactly how I started. And instead of, at the early stage when it's all the vegetables in, I add curry powder. Okay. And you get, when you bring it back to the boil, you can add little bits of apple. So it's like a mulligatawny soup, which is like chicken and apple and curry, which is a beautiful flavour.
That little sweetness that comes through.
Yeah, that recipe today, that base, before you add the corn or the cream, you can add noodles to that then. You can add whatever you need then. But if you wanted spicy, you start it early. You could have had chili. It could have been a chili soup.
Yeah. Well, what I love about this is you've got that savoury base, but then you get that little pop of sweetness every time you eat a little bit of corn.
Yeah, the corn's great. And that's, I'll be honest, that's tinned corn. It's not shaved off the thing. It's just proper tinned corn.
You don't need anything else. Quick and easy to make, Gav?
Oh, dead simple. You chop it up, throw it in a pot, bring it to the boil and blend it.
Done.
Yep.
Who makes you chicken soup when you're sick?
Me.
Oh, that makes me sad.
No, I'm one of these people when I'm sick, I just want to be left alone. I don't want anybody looking after me. I just want to be on my own. Just leave me alone in my own little misery and I'll be happy.
Well, thank you for bringing in the chicken soup today. This is just an absolute joy to eat. I've been saving myself for it too, let me tell you.
Don't share.
Oh, I'm not. No one can have this. It's completely mine. Gav, so good to see you in. Now, you'll be back in a fortnight or you're
I'll
gone?
I'll be back in August.
You are gone.
Unless we're calling in from Dublin, I won't be there.
Oh, you have the best time. So going back to see some friends and family?
Yep, lots of family. I had a little when COVID hit. My father died of COVID 2 years ago, and we haven't been able to go back. We haven't been able to do anything about it. So this is part of this trip. It'll be a little emotional.
It will be. Hopefully very therapeutic for you. Yeah. And do you suss out the food while you're there as well?
Oh, yeah. I'll be in plenty of pubs, eating plenty of food.
Yeah, good on you. Well, Gav, we will see you when you come back. You take care.
Thank you very much.
Eat this chicken soup. It's 2NURFM 103.7.
A broadcast service of the University of Newcastle.